Hello dear sailors and welcome to one more nautical content video. Today I'm going to show you how we use the midship line in order to secure the boat with the crossing wind when we do the med mooring, which means the stern to the dock, but this can be used also for bringing the boat alongside to the dock. Let's go to see the video. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, to Oceania. I have Manos over here, which is he's my deckhand, and today we had about 20 knots crossing wind in the Nea Peramos Marina. The place that we want to dock the boat, the final position is next to this catamaran over here. So we want to go next to this catamaran over here where the wind is opening us. And here we have a bollard, which is very easy to attach this line outside and forward the boat. Let's see all the arrangement and all the process in order to understand how we use the midship line, which is very good for crossing wind. So at this stage over here, you will see that the cleat is somewhere over here, and I have the line attached over there to a specific length. And of course, the line, I have it it passes from the outside of the guardrail, but I run it through from the inside. Why is that? Because it's very important to avoid this line to get into the water, or else it goes straight to the propeller. If you are reversing, maybe it doesn't go, but if you are forwarding, 100% it goes to the propeller. This line comes back and it goes over here, and I have it at this area, pass it from outside at this area, with no loop, nothing at the end of it, because I know that at this spot over here, as you will see, I have a bollard at this point, so I can attach it with a few loops. Adonis is here to help me attach it with a few loops over here, so we can support the boat over there by forwarding. So let's start now with the approach. As you see, I'm backing with the boat. Initially, I said to my deckhand Manos to prepare the stern line, but because I saw that the boat was drifting a lot, I decided at the last moment to give the blue line out, which is the midship line. So I'm approaching, as you see, I'm backing, I'm giving my reverse, and I control the throttle. Generally, we give enough speed so we can have the maneuver finished after the turn without engaging the throttle. Our only worry is to engage the throttle in forward in order to stop the boat. So I'm backing, and at these cases we make sure that we are turning the boat to align it relatively late. That means that I will wait for the boat to go very close my stern to the catamaran, and then I will slap the wind. At this moment over here, I have a speed of about 2.5 knots as I'm backing. I didn't want to have more speed, but I needed a little bit more speed here, to tell you the truth, guys, because the boat started drifting very fast. You see now I'm reversing, I'm still reversing with my throttle. I get into neutral after I'm finishing my maneuver, and then rudder I get the rudder to center and a nice blast to stop the boat. And as you see here, very nicely, Adonis is coiling the line, and at this moment, I know that I'm ready to forward with my boat. The line, as you see here, is from the interior, and my deckhand is getting into position after he throws the line. He gets into the position to let the line from the outside. He forgot it at the beginning, and then he remembers it, he takes it from outside, and now, as you see, the boat is forwarding to this line over here, and I have now about 1200 RPM, which is nothing, and the boat, you see, slowly with the rudder all to port now. I'm turning the rudder to port to close my bow a little bit downwind, and it approaches the other boat. Here is the back view, here is the midship line that is attached to the bollard, and the boat slowly, it comes up to the wind. Very easy with the midship line, no stress. You see almost no prop wash behind me. All the prop wash that you see here is because of the blast to stop the boat. And after we get next to the other boat, we took also the mooring line and we attach it over there. Now, one thing that happens sometimes when we do this maneuver is that some boats, because they don't balance so well into the wind, or the rudder, maybe they don't have rudder, they have two rudders, two fin rudders to the stern of the boat, so you cannot really direct the boat with the rudder with this maneuver as you forward, because the prop wash doesn't go to the rudder. So in this case, the bow usually closes a little bit more to the wind. So over here we put protection fenders, and as you see with Oceania also this happened, but we had also here the fenders. We touch, and after some time the boat gets alongside with the catamaran. And you can understand that this can happen with if I have a dock over here, that I need my boat to go alongside with a dock or another boat. After I finish with the mooring line, since I have here already prepared my stern line, I will toss it outside and then I will attach the stern line properly, and I will cancel the midship line because I don't need it anymore. I needed it only to bring the boat up into the wind. So, ladies and gentlemen, that was the midship line maneuver, slapping of the wind, of course, and midship line maneuver. I hope you like it, and see you next time. Fair seas to everyone.